Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Don and this is Adventures This Way. My buddy Richard from Elemental ATV. So he's on his way over here. He's going to give us a bit of a walkthrough of his 2021 Can-Am Renegade XXC. Oh, you know what? I think that could be him here now. Let's go see.
Look at that, boys. Smells new.
Smell-a-mental.
Smell-a-mental. There's an XXC. You know what? That color in person looks real nice.
I know.
I like it.
It is my favorite.
It's not red, but it looks pretty good. Brand new. 51.0 kilometers. Just getting broke in.
Yeah. Everything I've done to this, let's do a quick walk around and then I got a jet.
Yeah.
So, everything I've done from top to bottom, the very first thing I'm going to suggest everybody do, especially when they're old like Don and I, is to do the rocks risers, okay? It takes all the pressure off of your shoulders and it gives you a sporty feel, right? You're like in tune with the bike. You're not reaching for anything. Front end comes up. When it comes back down, it doesn't jerk you forward. I mean, like you're right there. Second thing I did, BRP rack. No, I'm not going to spend $500 on a Lucky 7 rack, boys. It's not going to happen. I'll wait till somebody gifts me one. I'm still waiting for the dual exhaust from somebody from the Scrambler. So, as nice as what they look, it's all about money spent.
Happen. It could.
Yeah, it's all about money. I mean, this is a brand new machine, so you got to make some concessions somewhere. So this went on. It's nice. Plus, when you get the bigger racks, the mud caked up underneath there. You wash your machine, and then you got all this mud dripping off of it. That's good enough for me. Stock exhaust for now. I mean, I've got a couple ideas in the works I think you guys are gonna like. Dual exhaust coming out the back here, just I love that look. I love it. Just right here and here. There's one company that has it. One company. It's not RJWC. I can't remember who they are right now. Fender Flares, because we have YouTube channels and we don't want to get our cameras dirty. I had those on the Scrambler and they were a godsend. Of course, there's people gonna go, oh, you ruined the look of the the Renegade. I gotta stop saying Scrambler. Other one I did, I popped these out to give it the cool look. I could put lights in there.
You could put lights in there.
Front bumper.
It looks good, and you get some good protection too.
It looks good. Yeah, I mean, there's no protection here.
No, but something goes awry, and you know, into something solid, it's gonna protect the important parts, the rad and everything.
Aux beam light. I might buy actually a 12-inch one. I kept my AS50 KFI Assault winch because I might have used it 2 times. First time using the KFI.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh, wow! I should be honored.
And it's only a year old, and they're friggin' water resistant / waterproof. So I already had it. I ordered the bracket for it, and it goes, and it's up underneath there. It weighs a little bit less than a BRP one. I mean, BRP is a fantastic product when it comes to winches, but I already had this one, so I thought I might as well use it for now.
Why not?
That's basically all I've done. I know that's taken a long time for me to get these things done, but man, the new job is really kicking my ass as far as hours go. I did order, if any of you guys remember from my channel, on my 2009 Outlander, I had the HD9 copper rims bead lock.
Oh, I remember those.
Yeah,
those
I got those ordered again. Yeah, they're at my house now. So my cryptids, I'm not ever going to go any bigger than cryptids, guys. They're just, I think they're the perfect mud / trail tire for what I'm doing around here. And I always preach that. Don't ever follow. Okay, don't ever follow other guys. You wind up wasting money on tires and braking shit, and then you got to spend more money on other tires so you don't break shit anymore.
Hey,
I got those
you're preaching. You're preaching.
Yeah, I got those bead locks at home, and my cryptids only have 4 rides on them, so I thought I might as well keep them. I bought them already.
Yeah, why not?
If I want to sell them, the guys aren't going to give me half of what they're worth, so I might as well keep them and I'll throw them on. Once my break-in is done, then I'll throw them on, and Donnie and I are going to hit some Johnstown, I think, or some mud somewhere.
Yeah, I've never been down to Johnstown. I've talked about going, so.
You've never been?
No, we've had this conversation before.
I thought you went.
No, not yet. No.
Oh, here's another thing. Now I get talking, I can't stop. The 21s only come with a single key. She's all caught up. Oh, one other thing I did the stealth snorkels under here, guys.
Oh, right. I was thinking of that.
And I moved my ECU down. I mean, There's a bracket that comes with the XMR snorkel kit, and guess what? You can't get that part number on its own. I tried. I searched and searched. I talked to a guy on one of the forums. Maybe somebody else knows, but it's too late now. So I made up my own bracket, moved it down, and then I just bought the XMR CVT out that comes here, and basically it popped up here if you put the snorkel on. I cut it off, and then just ran a 2-inch flex pipe that basically goes right down in here. So my snorkels underneath here, hidden, are about this high, and I'm comfortable with that, because, you know, if I need to be in water above my seat, I got issues.
Yeah.
I mean, there are so many other things to do. I know a lot of guys like to water ride, but I've been in deeper water, but I've never just been a huge fan of it. I mean, the one time I was at Johnstown, when we had our accident, not Johnstown, in Clinton.
Lingham Lake, yeah.
Lingham Lake.
At Johnson's Hole.
Right. The one time that I've been there and that whole fiasco went down, if you guys remember my video on my Outlander, like, the snorkels were up here.
Yeah.
But my front end hit down. And if you watch, I was about this far away from
Oh, that was the
water.
same time when Brandon's quit.
Right.
Too. His brand new.
That's right.
His brand new 850
Yes.
just.
I was this far from water going in that snorkel. So,
That's wild.
I don't need to do that.
Yeah, you're like, yep, I'm good with that.
Yeah.
I'm not. That's enough.
Water crossings that are deep, all that's good, but going to find the deep water, I mean, this is good enough that I can take this through deep water, clean all the mud off, and yeah, it's just your typical Renegade, only it's brand new and it's a 21.
2021.
2021. Yeah.
It's very
That's
nice. It's very nice.
I don't
It
have
looks
too much
awesome.
more to do. I think the exhaust and a tuner, or a tune, not a tuner.
Yeah.
I mean, that stuff costs so much money. A tune is what I'm gonna do, but I'm in no rush for that because this thing's got so much power I need to figure out anyways.
Yeah.
I can wait for that. It's got an updated screen too.
Oh,
Nice updated screen on it. Beautiful.
Yeah, it does look nice. I like it.
So the issue here is once I put this crash pad back on, I can't see any of that gorgeous screen.
True.
And I cover up these gorgeous polished
That's probably fine.
rocks risers.
Yeah, they are nice. They're shiny.
But I can't put my elemental ATV thing here. Hey, I had somebody call me a slow ass on
Really?
on
Slow at.
yeah, on another channel. I won't name it.
Oh.
But if you're watching this, bud, I blocked you, so you'll never watch my stuff again. So that's all right. I thought it was quite funny. It was from a year and a half ago. Anyways, I just had to throw that in there.
Nice.
Anyways, I'm impressed. Yeah, I don't know. I'll let you know as it goes. I mean, I've been really slow getting the videos out. So that's it. I got my jacket on now, just like that.
Yeah,
The
just
battery died. What are we talking about? Oh yeah, wheels.
Tires.
I gotta go. It's Thanksgiving.
Yeah. Thanksgiving. Oh, you gotta get to your Thanksgiving dinner or
I
something?
gotta go eat.
All
That
right.
skinny guy's got to eat like 50 times a day.
All right, boys, that's it for the tour of Elemental ATVs 2021 Can-Am Renegade
XXC.
You have to check the last letter.
XXC.
Make sure I get that right.
Maybe I should change it to Elemental XXC instead of ATV.
Elemental XXC? Yeah, I don't know.
Elemental. All right.
All right, well, thanks for stopping by, buds.